Jordan release day? I think. Or I think it's Jordan release day, I don't know. It is Saturday. I think those released before, no? Alright, Toro Bravos was last weekend. My bad, you guys. I worked 60 hours this week, so did not shoot any videos whatsoever. What the hell is this? What the F is this? Really? Really? They're expecting people to pay $225 or $225 for these. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Yeah, we've seen those. We've seen all those. 9's still here. That's kind of surprising. The 11s. These are actually pretty dope. Like, I don't know. Would you rather get this or this? But like, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Yeah, like these ain't bad either too. These ain't bad. Oh, and then they do have the Toro Bravos here, which released last week. Wear these with gray socks. I would wear these with gray socks, right? So most of you guys. Damn, I haven't checked the outlets to see if they have any returned one of these. $220 for the Toro Bravos. We've been seeing all the dunks on sale pretty much everywhere. It's always funny when you see this right here, $150, $140, $150, $140. Got Forces, so many different color blockings, different colorways. Got Bondi 9s right here. These Bondi 10s gonna come out soon. Clifton 10s right here. And the sales rack right here. It's like they got Jordan 5s. They got Jordan 5 lows. Jordan 5 lows. What is this? The 660 plus? What the F? These kind of look like Jordan 5 lows. Not necessarily the netting, but these ain't bad. These ain't bad for 120. Then been looking for these on sale. A little sale. Still 160. A little steep. There's the Air Force down here. Reebok. What are these? They're Club C 85s. Little much. Always looking for 574s. Ooh, this is the cheapest we've seen one of these in a while. The SL. The Adizero SLs. Ooh, that's actually a great freaking price. I think the last time we saw them at the Adidas outlet was like $99, so it's actually cheaper than there. And if you like all white Forces, kind of, sort of, not really. I kind of prefer these over the all white Forces. And then the Easter 3s, of course we're gonna see those on sale. Then plenty of Air Maxes, close to $100, $120 for these Air Max 95s, $110 for these. Then Air Max 90s, a little bit cheaper, always a little bit cheaper. Then look in the women's section right here. Look at this Vomeros right here. Vomero 18s. Got them for $90 freaking dollars, $65 off. That's what I'm talking about. Love these Vomeros. Vomero Pluses also on sale. They got a couple of them, but this one right here is $60 off. The Vomero Pluses are so much more comfy than the Vomero 18s. And we've been seeing Jordan 1s on sale lately. And we also got the Jordan 10s. We don't see those too often on sale, and 6s. But lately, everything's been going on sale, right? Everything's been on sale. We got a Champs right here. Toro Bravos readily available here as well. And we still got these. Here. Wow. Cherry 13s right here. All-Star Weekend 1s, and then the Easter 3s on sale. They still got the Bugs Bunny 8s here too. That's surprising. I feel like I haven't seen these recently. Yeah, 215 still. We got these things. What the hell are these called? The Pure Chill Runners? Ain't nobody running in these. Why do they call them the Pure Chill Runners? What the hell? Got some Sambas on sale. These aren't the OGs because it doesn't have the crazy long tongue. Man, do you got Sambas right here? Okay. Then got Evo SLs. A little bit cheaper. A little bit cheaper at JD, but yeah, got some all black ones right here if you need these bad boys. Then dude got the sales section right here. And they got some stuff. I don't know, like nothing too crazy. What's up with this one? 110. Nothing crazy, to be honest. It's a kid size right here. Yeah, nothing crazy. Adizero 13s right here, $90. Might be the cheapest. We've seen the 13s. We've seen the 12s a little bit cheaper, but not the 13s. Not bad. Not bad. Very similar to the SLs. A little faster, actually. These have the carbon rods, but not bad. Not bad. Dude got a Chic, which is kind of empty, but they've had the best deals, which is crazy. Their current promotion, I believe, is buy one, get one, 50% off their apparel. I've been watching Alfredo Robles lately. That fool's hilarious, dude. Always relationship stuff. It's so hilarious. But we're gonna move on to these Jordans right here. I'm listening to it while I talk to you guys. Dude got these bad boys. Saw these at the clearance store. Saw these at the clearance store for $100, 140, which is kind of the best you're gonna do if you don't have a clearance store near you. Not seen them at the outlets, which is kind of hilarious. But yeah, dude got those 5s are dope. I like those. They got quite a few, including the 12s right there. Got the 4s, 6s. We got the 7 lows, aka MVP 92s. Got the couple of the 7.7s. Is that the first gen and the second gen? They look different, but they're both the 7.7s, right? Then the Luka 5s right here. Man, I'm so bummed out about this NBA season. Man, New York just killing it. What the hell happened to the Spurs? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't even been watching the finals. I've been so depressed. I'm like, the Lakers suck, so who cares? Who cares? I thought these would be on sale. What are these still doing here? They need to sell this for like $30 and just get rid of it. Still not selling for $50. That's crazy. It's like $80 off. Got a couple of the tech challenges. I forgot what these are going for. What these go for? $130. Newer colorways go for regular price. One of the book 2s right here with pony hair. Sure, it's faux pony hair, but yeah, chapter 2, kind of interesting. They're alright, they're alright. I do got Vomeros right here. Got a $85 one. Not bad, not bad. Air Max 90s on sale. Oh, that one's going for $80. $9.99. Do I see anything else? Nothing. Nothing else really standing out. Of course, we got Dunks. Tons of Air Forces as well. And then, of course, these are on sale in the women's section. Of course, these are on sale. Oh, man, dude, that's crazy. That is crazy. 2-inch heels or 2-inch platforms, pretty much. Jordan mids going for $60. Pretty crazy as well. These 3s, I feel like these have just been going down and down in price. I thought these would sell out. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think they'd sell out like right away because nothing is selling out right away. But I thought these would sell out, kind of like the material and stuff. And I think the Jordan 4s, I think they've done it. They've done it, and they've come out with too many. Well, too many for people that want stuff to sell out. I'm good with everything sitting. Pretty much how I started my Jordan collection. Buying stuff at the outlets and stuff. You got these Airborne Tempos on sale. It's grade school or for kids? I don't know. Oh, it's a women's. It's a women's colorway right here. These are normally what, 170, 160. Checking out the kids, just almost free. Damn, dude, look at this. Look at this, look at this. $45 for multiple dunks. This ain't bad. This ain't bad for Ferrari. Pumas right here. Is this Puma? What are these? The suede XLs? I don't know what these are. Yeah, suede XLs for $40. That's not bad. Tim's, even got Tim's here. Even got Tim's here. And do got Chuck Lows. I've been wanting some Chuck Lows in different colorways because you can wear them with slacks and stuff. Like $30. $30. Such a good price. Holy crap. I got 2 more stores, 3 more stores. They're playing TLC here. Circa 1997, 97, I don't know. When they came out, all the New Balances right here. See a lot of red tags. It's not super low, but at least we do see red tags. And does look like every store have these in stock. I still like these better. I don't know. I hate love and hate white shoe thing. And then even in the sales rack, am I seeing anything? Got some interesting Converse right here, 35. I think it's a women's. And I think that's a grade school up top. I see nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy at the malls. I need to go back to the outlets. These are size 9. Looks like everybody else got these on sale after the outlets had them on sale, right? Got some of this. Nothing too crazy here at Foot Locker, as well as like, seems like all the flex stores. I don't know. Okay, I like this one. I like this one. $80. Pretty solid. Solid price for those. But yeah, not seeing any 70% off signs or nothing. Do got a Ninja Turtle one. Ninja Turtle Crux, that is. I don't know the price. They got the Lego ones here. So, oh, I didn't know they had a girls, a boys, and then a neutral one right here. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. These are going for $60 because they're juniors ones for kiddos. Okay. Got Shoe Palace. I think it's the last store I'm gonna stop by at. This is what confuses me about Shoe Palace. Like, who's buying this? Who is this geared towards? Richie Rich? What's that, for, like, from the 80s? From the 80s? And then what, adults? Like, adults my age who grew up with this, they're gonna buy this? Like, really? Like, I don't know. I don't know who is in charge of licensing here. Like, The Simpsons, I can kind of understand it's still on TV at least. Like, Richie Rich, I don't know. Like, Monopoly, I always just wondered who's into that type of stuff. I don't know. I feel like the licensing, they make a lot more of the profits on all this stuff because they license it, and then they have their own companies that make them, so there's a bigger profit margin. But I never understood the Bob Marley thing. That kind of makes sense. And yeah, these shirts are down to $15. Long sleeve shirts normally $40. And then do see 574s. I feel like if you go to the New Balance outlet, you can find these for cheaper. But see, these are priced on 2002 Rs. $80 for these, $60 for this one. That's one of the cheapest ones we've seen at the malls recently, because I don't know, I feel like they just haven't been having the most aggressive sales lately. Thousands right there. What are these, 740s? And ton of sale signs in the New Balance section. 2000, not the 2000 Rs, but 2000s right there. Been seeing a lot of these. 120, 120, 105 for the 2002 Rs. And these 90, 60s right here, $100, 140 for those. Isn't that retail? Jordan releases pretty much the same as every other spot. I don't think I'm missing anything. Yeah, they got the Salesman 6s, got the Cherry 13s, the 9s, the OG Chicago's right there. Got the Band 1s, got plenty of Jordans. The retail stores, this is the first time I've seen these Jordan Elements on sale. If you're into hiking, you're a sneakerhead, I think this might be the perfect shoe. This has Gore-Tex and everything. So in theory, you should just be able to wipe it off or wash it off. $160 for these 2 bills, way too steep, but they got you for 20% off. I've seen them as low as $100 at some of the outlets and stuff. These are 3s, and then these have been on sale forever, and Foot Locker has them cheaper now. That's kind of interesting. Everybody got the Hokas on sale, the Clifton 10s, the latest one. I think the newer ones are about to come out, I guess. Got a couple of them go for 120, 130. Fate Speeds right here go for 90. I think these are trail running shoes, right? I think these are the trail running shoes. We are in Club Shoe Palace, so music loud as F, dude, loud as F. And here in Cali, summer is here, so I got you with the Kobe slide for 30. That is from last season, which works for me because it's not like people pay attention to what came out what season and some of that. 120 for the Volts. You got the Coppers right here, Diamond Turfs, $100, and then 160 for the Foamposite. Not the Foamposite Pros because those have the Nike signs, go for regular price. All right, I gotta take my kid to places. This video might be a little short, but it is what it is. It is what it is. 120. Yeah, I've been struggling on getting you guys videos because I've been working a ton. My bad, you guys. 110 for those. But yeah, I've been working a ton. And I still have to take my kid places. I'm still looking for a car for him too. But all right, I think we're out. We're out. Snapdragon Stadium came to watch Columbia versus Jordan. see if it is a spanking like my boy and I are predicting. Columbia really should win by a lot. We'll see. We'll see. Pretty dope place though. I've never been here. It's a pretty dope spot. Got some great seats.